Our upgraded splice has all the great benefits from before. Super fast to install, no tools, no interference. Now with vastly improved rigidity and stiffness. An open channel conceals and protects wires from the elements. Wire clips made from ultra UV and fire-resistant resins secure wires in the channel. Stainless steel cable grips fasten uproof trunks and home runs tight. And clamps and attachments won't damage wires, even on the thinnest of panels. The multi-clamp is both a mid and an end clamp. It fits panels 30 to 40 millimeters thick without any added spacers or sleeves. It twist locks to stay put while you adjust a panel or install on steep slopes. It's preset to easily slide over panels. Most rail systems require copper wire and multiple ground lugs to connect each row of panels. Our north-south bonding jumper instantly bonds rows of modules with a click slide-on action. It's UL rated for multiple uses, so you can reuse it even if you remove it for maintenance.